I don't remember.
Huh?
Oh.
First you have to get this.
You just gotta rip it. You just gotta rip it.
Let's go. Hey! It's a tunnel. It's a train track.
That's our new Christmas train for under the tree.
Oh my goodness. What happened to the other one?
It's so big and loud. It's so loud and on.
There's a
one is
train.
smaller
Hey,
and it
can you
goes
say
faster.
this? No, it's for.
Oh
And it's all
man.
Christmas. Turn it around. Let's see.
Let's see what it is. Wow.
Oh,
Oh, isn't
Look
that
at
cute?
that.
it's a Santa train.
It's a Santa train.
20
We need a
lookalikes.
What?
I'll go get the track.
No, the track is in there. We gotta put it together later. Okay? Look at that.
Wow. That is pretty cool.
Get all that down, buddy.
Pull it real hard, bud.
And this. And that.
Drive strong, Kylie.
Yeah, you're doing good, Kylie.
I